Let me walk you through the engagement platform for a beauty coin. Each creator gets their own customized platform with their own photo here and a link straight to their Instagram account. This is now Anna, beauty coin, introducing the latest buzz in the crypto world, my new community-driven crypto coin. And then we go over to for true collectors only. That's what I said, for the followers. Dive into the whimsical universe of Anna. Crypto frogs, dogs, and cats are so last season. It's time to focus on the real deal, bold, meaty curves. Whatever text and slogan you want to put, the creator can put. And also the photos, as I said, everything is completely customizable. And then here we have the links to the socials. Financial part, it's for the first time crypto buyers or pros. Everything is easy, accessible here wherever they want to buy it with Apple Pay, debit card, credit card, or crypto. Everything is possible. Also, a link to a video which explains how it can be bought. We are working together with Mutot app. This is an audited international crypto buying app, and it's also audited from an international security firm. Then we have all the information at a glance. The contract address, so once the coin is launched, the contract address and the experienced crypto buyer just copy it and then they can buy it immediately. The ticker is the name of the coin. Liquidity pool is forever burned. That means no new coins can be raised. It's a fixed amount of coins, which is very important for especially the experienced buyers. That's what they're looking for. Safety first. The Anna coin is audited by an industry-leading auditor from Europe. Every single coin we are launching will be audited. That's very important for us from a safety point of view. Then the tokenomics, that's basically the financial part of the coin distribution. Every coin we're launching has 1 billion coins, and usually 6% goes to the creator and 94% goes to the community. This is very important for the experienced buyers, because when 94% goes on the market straight away, then it's much safer for the community, because the creator itself cannot rug pull the coin. Cannot, for example, if the creator has 50% and then after 1 month trading, they just sell all the coins, the coin is done, and that's unsafe for the community, to say it in very simple terms. All these information are listed here as well. And then all the links to see behind the scenes of the coin, but also to trade the coin straight away on the international marketplace like DEX Screener. And then join the community. Here are the links to the socials of the creator. And in the end, we list the link to, in this case, Anna's Beauty Collectibles. So when the creator has their own collectibles, people can just click here and then they go over straight away automatically to the platform for the beauty collectibles. That was a quick walkthrough the beauty coin engagement platform. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.